Hello students, in this video class we are going to discuss about switch case. Okay, we are going to discuss about switch case. Switch case comes under the selective control flow structure. Okay, see, if we have multiple options, in such scenario, instead of using if else ladder, we should use switch case. Okay, it gives better clarity as well as it is easy to use. I will show you how. First of all, let me tell you the syntax of switch case. Listen, the syntax, or you can say structure of switch case is, first of all, you need to write switch, okay, and then one variable, okay, or this is called as argument of switch, okay, let it be variable, then case, case label, colon sign, and some statements, and after that break statement. Okay, so this is case label 1. Then case label 2, some lines or some statements, and then break statement. Like this, we can write CASE case label N, case label N, colons, and then some statements and break. And at the last, we write default. Now, how it works, I will tell, don't worry. Default, colon, and some statements. Now, if default is written at the last, then break statement is optional. We need not write break statement. So here, this is the block of switch. Okay, this is the block of switch. Okay. Example, suppose if a variable is choice. Let me write here 3. Okay, and choice is equal to 3. And if I write switch, and within the parenthesis of switch, if I write choice, that variable, okay, and then curly bracket start, case 1 colon, okay, some statements, suppose for example system.out.println. I'm using shortcut. Please do not use the shortcut in examination, write it completely, system.out.println. Let me write here ONE1. Okay, case 2, system.out. Let me write break statement also. It is required, okay, break statement. Okay, let me print hello here. Hello, okay, and then break. Then case, the case label here is 2. System.out.println hi. And then let me write case 3. System.out.println Ritwik. Okay, then use break statement. Then at the last, let me write default system.out.println nothing. Let me print nothing. Okay, semicolon. So this is the block of switch. This is the block of switch. Now, can you say what will be the output of this code? The output will be Ritwik. Here the output will be Ritwik. RITWIK. What is the reason? Listen. What is the value of choice? The value of choice is 3. Now this is the case label. It is not matching with the value of choice. So this part will not execute. It will check for 2. The value 2 doesn't match with the value of choice. So this part will not execute. Then case label 3. 3 matches with 3, yes or no? So this part will be executed and default won't be executed. Is this clear? So this is how switch case works. This is how switch case works. Now let me tell you some more things about switch case. Listen. Listen. Suppose if the question is write a Java program which will accept the day number through method parameter okay, write a Java program which will accept the day number through method parameter and display the corresponding name of the day and display the corresponding name of the day. Corresponding name of the day. For example, if the input is suppose if the input is enter the day number. Okay, let me draw the box because we have to enter the day number in that box. Yes, day NO means day number. If anybody enters 1, so the output in such case should be Sunday. Okay, if anybody enters day number, suppose 4, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so the output should be Wednesday. Output should be Wednesday. Okay, so if the user is entering 1, the output should be, see, these are the inputs and these are the outputs. Output should be Sunday. Okay, if anybody is entering 2, he or she will get Monday. Okay, 3, Tuesday. 4, Wednesday. 5, Thursday. 6, Friday. And if the user is giving 7, he will get Saturday. Now, how to do this without using switch case and using switch case? I will tell you both the ways. Listen. Without using switch case, okay? How to write that program without using switch case? Listen. Public class day name displayer. Public class day name displayer. Public static void display int day number. Int day number. Okay, now I will use if else construct. Okay, so if this variable, what is the parameter? Day number. If the value of this parameter day number is equal to 1, so I will print system.out.println. In examination, please do not use the shortcut. Write it completely. System.out.println. Okay. Sunday. Okay. Print Sunday. Else if day number is equal to 2. So we will print system.out.println Monday. okay, Monday. Else if day number is equal to 3, system dot out dot println Tuesday. Okay. Else if day number is equal to 4, system dot out dot println Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Then else if day number is equal to 5, system dot out dot println Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Else if see, there is a space in between else and if. Okay. Else if day number is equal to 6, so I will print system dot out dot println what? Friday. Okay, Friday. Else the last option is what? System dot out dot println. Okay, let me write else if. Else if day number is equal to 7, so system dot out dot println, let us display what? Saturday. Now listen, in case the user enters any other value apart from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if the user enters 8 or 9 or 15, so else part will get executed, and here we will display invalid day number. Here we will display invalid day number. Okay, close the block of display method here, and here close the block of class. Clear? Now let me type this program. Open BlueJ, create a new class, give any name, double click over it, maximize the screen, Control A, backspace. Now let me write the program. Listen, public public class what? Day name display, day name displayer. Okay, public public static static void void display display. Okay, and I will define one parameter int day number. Okay, int day number. Control Shift I. See, if day number is equal to 1, let me display system dot out dot println. Yes, let me display Sunday, Sunday. Okay, now else if day number is equal to 2, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println Monday. Okay, let me copy this, Control C, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, Control Shift I. If day number is equal to 3, is equal to 3, is equal to 4, is equal to 5, is equal to 6, is equal to 7. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, TUES Tuesday, then Wednesday, then THURS Thursday, FRI Friday, and then Saturday, SATUR Saturday. Okay, else part system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println invalid day number. invalid day number, invalid day number. Okay, I can see, yes. So this is the block of the display method and this is the block of the class. So within the block of the class, we can define the block of method. And within the block of display method, you can see, first of all, I have declared one parameter with name day number and the data type of that parameter is int. So if anybody will call the display method, he or she has to pass the value for the variable day number. If the user is giving 1, so all these parts will be ignored. Only this part will be executed because day number will be 1. So 1 is equal to 1, true. And all other conditions will give false. So these all things will be ignored. Only this part will be executed. Clear? If the user is giving 2, so only this part will be executed. If the user is giving 6, only this part will be executed. Compile, no syntax error, close, right click, display method. Now let me give 1. I will get Sunday, yes. Now let me call the display method again. Now let me give 3. So 3 means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I will get Tuesday. See, the output is Tuesday. Okay. Now let me give some other values. Apart from 1 to 7, let me give 8. So I will get the output invalid day number because I have to enter only those values which lie from 1 to 7. Clear or not? Now how to do this program using switch case? Listen. Now how to do this program using switch case? Listen, using switch case. S is small, huh? S is small. Using switch case. Using switch case, how to do this program? Listen. Public class day name displayer. Day name displayer. Public static void display. Let me define one parameter, day number. Same thing, okay, same thing, day number. Okay, don't give any space in between day and number. Now listen, I will use switch. S is smaller. Within the parenthesis of switch, I will use this parameter day number. Day number, okay. Now if the day number is 1, case 1, in between case and 1, there should be one space. Case 1, so we need to display system.out.println. Let me display Sunday. Let me display Sunday, okay. And let me use the break statement. Break statement is compulsory. Okay, if we will not give break statement, then we will not get the desired output. Now there is something called as fall through inside switch, which is not there in your syllabus of standard 8 class. That is in standard 9th class. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you the syntax and then I will describe it in detail. So we have to give break statement. What happens the moment break statement executes within the block of switch, the control moves out of the body of switch and all the cases are ignored because of this break. Okay, now listen. Then case 2. Case 2 means if the day number is 2, so case 2 will be executed. System.out.println Monday. System.out.println Monday. Okay, semicolon. Then use the break statement. Then case 3, system.out.println Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. And use the break statement. Okay, then case 4, system.out.println Wednesday. System.out.println Wednesday. Okay, and use the break statement. Then case 5, system.out.println Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Then use the break keyword or break statement, you can say. Then case 6, system.out.println Friday. Okay, and use break statement. Okay, then case 7 colon system.out.println Saturday. Okay, Saturday and break statement. Then default. Okay, default, we will write system.out.println invalid choice. I mean, if the day number is apart from 1 to 7, then the default case will execute. And there we are printing invalid day number. Invalid day number. Okay. And if default statement is used at the last, then break statement need not be given. It is not compulsory. Okay. So I'm not writing break here. Now close the block of switch, close the block of display method, and close the block of class. Here the block of class starts, here the block of class ends. Here you can see the block of display method starts and here it ends. Here the block of switch starts, here the block of switch ends. Okay, so the switch statement is within the block of display method and the display methods block is within the block of class. Clear or not? Now let me type it. Listen. Control A, Control C, new class, give any name, maximize it, Control A, Control B. Now day name displayer, I will write 2. See, instead of using if else, what I will do, listen, I will use switch, 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 and within the parenthesis of switch, I will write day number. Okay, then start a block of switch and write case 1 colon. Okay, case 1 colon, write it here. Okay, and then use the break statement, BREAK, break statement. Clear? Now delete all these. WEDNES Wednesday, WEDNES Wednesday, THURS Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the default will be invalid day number. Invalid day number. INVALID. Invalid day number. Invalid day number. Okay. Control Shift I, Control K. One more curly bracket is needed to close the block of class. Control K, no syntax error. Now you can see. Listen. So this is the block of switch, and it is within the block of display method, and the display method is within the block of class day name displayer 2. Okay, compile, no syntax error, close, right click, main method, display method, and here let me write 3. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I will get Tuesday. See, output is Tuesday. Okay, let me call the display method once again and let me write 9. So 9, I will get invalid day number. Invalid day number. Okay, so listen, this is called as the value of switch or argument of switch. If the value of this variable does not match with any of the cases, then default case gets executed. Clear? Clear, na? Okay, so compile, no syntax error. So this is the structure and example of switch case. Clear? Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, these are called as the case labels, and this is called as argument of switch or value of switch. Clear? Clear, na? So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.